Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Health and Wellness 101, your go-to channel for all things health and happiness. Today, I want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately, navigating social wellness in spring. As the weather warms up and flowers bloom, it's the perfect time to reconnect and build community. Whether it's organizing a picnic in the park, joining a local sports team, or simply reaching out to old friends, spring is all about fostering those meaningful connections. Remember, social wellness is just as important as physical and mental wellness. So let's make the most of this season and prioritize building those relationships that bring us joy and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living your best, healthiest life. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, take care and spread the love.